So this is Steve from Tech Buzz, and we've got two new pairs of earbuds in from Skullcandy. So we've got the Sesh truly wireless, and we've got the Method with ANC. And as you can see here, Method you can find with Tile, and we'll start with this first. So this is the new Sesh. So you Bluetooth wireless technology, up to 10 hours of battery, IP55 sweat, water and dust resistant. Onto the back you can see here you get a charging case, and that's nice to see. It'll tell you the contents, you have simple controls and durable design. So let's open up inside and it'll give us here the options available. So pretty much the standard for pairing, and once you open up to be in pairing mode, which is good. And here it can tell you that you can control the usual on it here. So this is telling us here it's got volume control. A lot of earbuds leave that out. You have pause tracks, and you have activate assistant, and you have, yeah, this is for your tracks back and forth, and your play and pause here. So as you can see, these are kind of a smaller looking version of these guys here. Now these guys are very good, I still use these today, and are very loud. They just look a little bit similar but a lot smaller. So let's take them out of the box and see what they look like in the flesh. If I can pull the sticker off. So that's everything out of that there. So first of all you get your little bits of information here. Having return, having trouble, do not return to store. You get your cable here, which is micro USB. A bit of a letdown there, but however, it's not a problem for me. And you also get some extra tips in there, as you can see. And then you get your user guide, Skullcandy user guide Sesh. So hang on to that if you're new to True Wireless. There is a lot of differences in between different earbuds with functions and so on. So don't throw it out. You get your case and the actual earbuds themselves. We'll just pop these out first of all and take a look. So this is what they look like here. You've got a nice ergonomic design, and you've got a nice surface here on top, which is kind of rubber, and it's you can feel the button behind, so it's tactile. You know you've pressed something. And looking at the back then there, we've got two pin connection, and on the back there is our USB port, and on the front here you've got the Skullcandy branding, and you've got a button there for activation. So there you go, you can see you have 3 LEDs. Open them up and this is what we look like, and this does be fun sometimes, finding out what side these go in. And there we go. So that's what they're going to look like in the case when they're charging up. So nice matte finish case, nice and solid, smaller than the previous, and hopefully let's see what the sound is like. So over the next week or two we're going to be testing these out as well, and let us know. But also, as I said before, if you're looking for loud earbuds from Skullcandy, these are the ones to get. So we'll have to see how these fare out against them. But that's just them anyway at the first quick glance. That's the Skullcandy Sesh. So now we're going to move over onto the Method with ANC. So again, you have 6 hours battery life with rapid charge, active noise cancellation, IPX4 sweat water resistant, secure fit thin gels, and magnetic earbuds. So these will connect together if they're kind of lying loose around your neck. And of course you can find with Tile. We've reviewed Tile recently, and we've done Tile before with some Skullcandy headphones. So you have 6 hours play, 1.5 hours play time from a 10-minute rapid charge. No noise with active noise cancellation, blocks out unwanted background sounds. Durable design, IPX4 water rated, secure fit, magnetic buds, easy controls, and your contents. So we'll take these out and have a look if we can get the sticker off the back. I forgot to bring my boxing knife up. Anyway, so again we'll open these up here like so, and it's a nice presentation. And wireless earbuds with active noise cancellation, open Bluetooth settings on the voice pair with method ANC, simple pairing process as per usual. So let's see what we have inside. And there we go. So you get your user guide, you'll get your cable, again micro USB, and you get your extra tips in there, and there is of course a clip to clip it onto your shirt or wherever the case is. And pop these out. And this is what they look like here. So again, nice finish, nice design. I do like these ear wings. These will help to keep them in. And from using, again, a similar design to the previous green ones we have there, they do really help keep these in your ears so they won't pop out. So you have your inline remote control here. Again, nice clicky buttons, and you have a mic there, and you charge them through the port in there. And the buttons are slightly raised, and as you can hear, nice and clicky. So then you can adjust whichever way suits you best here for having them wrapped around your neck. And as you can see, they have the magnetic grip on them there, so they won't be bouncing around if you're walking around or whatever the case is, so they won't be swinging about. They'll be stuck together like that, which is a good idea. It would be very annoying. Headphones of the past used to do that, but a lot of them now have this magnetic option built into them, and the magnet's fairly strong. So that's really about it for these, for a quick first look and unboxing. I'm liking the look of these and the style, and looking forward to testing out the ANC capability on these. So that's just about it for now. Stay tuned for a full review on both pairs, coming soon on techdesign.com. And of course, as usual, if any questions, hit us up. We'll gladly answer you, no problem at all. See you in the next one, and thanks again to Skullcandy for sending these over for us to check out. We'll see you soon in the next one. Thanks for watching.